Everybody, it's Mr. D at In the Middle, Mr. D1 at blogspot.com, and I want to take a moment to talk about concert preparation. It's been 2 years since we've done it, so they need moments of awakening right now. So what I did a couple of weeks ago is I said we're going to run through the entire concert. They'd just gotten off book, right? I put the list of the concert on the board. I made recordings of every single choir that I teach. And we made the recording, and then the next day they came in and we listened to it from start to finish, and I guided them on note-taking and things, how to score themselves in tone, pitch, and rhythm and other things. And then I created a Google form that they scored, and they got to see the scores come in, and they also got to make comments. So this is a great way to wake them up. And in addition, I had them listen to all the other choirs, so they all knew they were going to listen to each other. So it created a little bit of an element of competition, but at the same time, really moments of awakening. So when I created my own personal list of notes, I just stick them up on the board right now every day, and we kind of check things off. So that's a little tip to help you with your concert preparation as we all get back on the bicycle ride to Concertland. Have a great day.